This is the JBL Clip 5, one of the most powerful mini portable speakers you're gonna find. I've spent some time testing this along with the rest of the JBL speaker line to see if this is actually worth it or if you're better off with something else. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the JBL Clip 5, how it performs, how it compares to other portable speakers, and everything else that you need to know before buying it. In the box, you'll get the JBL Clip 5, a USB-C Type-C cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. The Clip 5 is super easy to use. Just press the power button once and it'll automatically enter pairing mode. If your speaker doesn't automatically turn on Bluetooth pairing, then you can press the Bluetooth button to manually activate it. Then simply go to your device's Bluetooth settings, find JBL Clip 5 in the list of available devices, just tap on it and pair your speaker. You'll hear a sound when it's successfully paired. The JBL Clip 5 comes with Auracast technology, which is pretty awesome. It lets you connect multiple speakers that also have the same Auracast feature, and then you can play your music on all of them at once. To get started, just hit the Auracast button on the other speakers you want to connect, then press the Auracast button on your JBL Clip 5, and you'll hear a sound when it's activated. And you're all set. The Clip 5 has 6 control buttons. Right on the front, you'll find the volume up and down buttons, plus a play-pause button. If you double tap the play-pause button, you can skip to the next song, and a triple tap takes you back to the previous one. On the left side of the speaker, you've got the power button, the Bluetooth pairing button, and the Auracast button. The Clip 5 is also compatible with the JBL Portable app, which you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store. You can adjust the equalizer to get your ideal sound, and then there's also a playtime boost feature that adds an extra 3 hours to your playtime. You can also connect 2 JBL Clip 5 speakers using the stereo group feature, if you're looking for stereo sound to fill your room. Just turn on the second speaker, select stereo group in the app, and it'll connect both speakers automatically. The JBL Clip 5 looks really cool and modern, and it comes in a bunch of fun colors, so you can pick one that matches your style. It has fabric on the front and back with a soft silicone section in the middle. The big plastic carabiner on top is super easy to open, so you can clip it onto just about anything. I've hung it on door handles, bathroom showers, and backpacks. Makes it super convenient to carry around. The Clip 5 is both dustproof and waterproof as well, with an IP67 rating. That means it can handle being submerged in a meter of water for up to 30 minutes without any damage. For its size, the Clip 5 has got an impressive sound quality compared to other speakers I've tried. It covers a frequency range of 95 Hz to 20 kHz and delivers surprisingly deep bass, along with clear highs and smooth mids. The Clip 5 gets incredibly loud for a speaker that can fit in your pocket, all thanks to its 1.75-inch driver. My favorite part about this speaker is that it never sounds distorted, even when the volume is full, something you don't easily get to see in other portable speakers. It's equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, giving you better power efficiency and a more stable connection at distance. The JBL Clip 5 lasts up to 12 hours on a single charge, which is pretty great. Plus, like I've mentioned before, you can get an extra 3 hours of playtime by turning on Playtime Boost in the JBL app. The LED on the top of the speaker blinks red when the battery's running low. But if you want to see exactly how much battery is left in your Clip 5, just head to the JBL app when the speaker's connected. After using the Clip 5 for quite some time, I can say it's a solid choice among compact speakers. If you're after something portable with great sound and good battery life, the JBL Clip 5 is definitely a top pick.